just letting you guys out there know about the sand filter for the pool. Okay, now I've got one here and I had a hole in it, and I went to the local pool shop to ask them whether it can be fixed, and they told me that it's impossible to fix it. You're gonna have to buy a new salt water sand filter, which they gave me a quote on a size 28, 1,490, which I found it very ridiculous on the price. I done some investigation and found out that I could pick up a size 28 for $600. Now, going back to the hole in the filter, now I had a hole in here right where the joint is. Okay, now I had a friend tell me what the tank's made out of, and he asked me, isn't it made out of fiberglass? And I told him that it's fiberglass and cement, and his advice is go and get a fiberglass kit, and that should fix the problem. And I thought about it, and I went and done it. I have sand down the tank to make it rough and follow the instructions of the fiberglass kit. Now, as you can see, I can turn the pump on, no water. I also replaced all the O-rings on all the connections. Okay, now I did have a fair bit of water coming out, and I'll just prove it to you. I will turn the pump on. As the pump comes on, you can see that there's no water coming out at all. I can go right around the whole tank, and I have no leaks at all. Okay, I'll turn that off. Now, with the O-rings and the fiberglass kit, I paid under $80 compared to $600. So for all you guys out there, if you go to the pool shop and they tell you that it cannot be fixed, it's impossible, and you have to buy a new tank, well, here's proof that you don't have to buy a new tank and fix it yourself with under $80. Thank you.